Hello, this is Rhonda at Hallstrom Home, and today we are going to create a frame with patina on it. So let me show you how we're going to do this. We're going to use this product by Dixie Belle, and it's a patina paint in copper. It does say to shake well. Once I apply it into the detailed areas, I'm going to let it dry, and then we're going to add this Dixie Belle patina spray. So first I'm going to start off with a chippy brush, and I cut about 1/4 of it off just so that I could have a little bit more control when I'm applying my copper paint. So before we get going, I want to invite you to like this page, to subscribe, and to share it with somebody you think might be interested. So here we go. This is gonna be, you're gonna apply this copper paint everywhere that you want the green patina to show up. And of course, I want a lot of gold to show, so I'm just getting it into the detail areas. So as you can see, this is a coppery color, and then once it's dry and we spray our activator on top of our paint, it will turn that green patina that we all love about copper. And so once that's done, I'm going to also spray a poly clear coat so that it keeps any. See, a lot of my mirrors are used in bathrooms, and I just feel like it will preserve the life of your frame with a clear coat on it. Now, bear in mind that when you use these chippy brushes, they do leave little things like this. And that's really annoying when you're painting. So when I'm doing a normal frame with paint, I try not to use these chippy brushes. But for this video, this is what I'm showing here today. And so here is another point that I want to make, and that is to let the gold show through more. You can come through and wipe the copper off. That way, when you spray your patina activator on there, it's not like a solid green. You'll still have that gold showing through. So. And why I wanted a lot more control with this chippy brush is I just didn't want like any splatter marks with my paint. So again, why don't I show you the end product, because as I work my way around this, it's going to take me quite a bit of time, and I just want you to have a quick video on how you can make this look for your frame if you're interested. You can also use this on furniture. So that's what's really fun about this product, is you can use it on pretty much anything. So feel free and leave me any questions that you may have if you're wondering about this product. And I also have a product resource page on the blog at Hallstrom Home, and I will put that in the notes so you can click over and see what products that I use for painting, and it might just help you, because I absolutely love their brand. I use it every day, and I just thought maybe it would help you guys, have a easier painting process when you're working as well. Okay, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my page. I really appreciate it. And here's one last view of our finished product here.